It's another beautiful day in the Cruizen By Design studio, and in the last video we showed you guys us unboxing the Karma Cayman kit that took 9 months to get here. But we're officially starting the work on the Cayman build today, and I am so excited. If you guys are excited, comment down below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Click that link down below. We have new videos every single Tuesday, and keep up with this Cayman build because it is going to be one of a kind. Like I said, this is first in Northern America, second produced ever in the world. And I'm just super grateful and excited to have even been part of this process and getting this kit. Huge thanks to Karma. Their link will be in the description. Kiki, the owner of the company and creator of this kit, as well as DSG, who helped to bring this kit stateside for me. So all three of their links will be inside the description. Check them out if you guys are interested in anything Karma related. The shop is super brand new. Kyle hasn't had the stairs built yet. Right now we have to use these ladders. What? Hi.
Back here at Cruizen By Design Studios. I already told everybody.
My breasticle over here.
Yeah, nice.
Let's get this on.
Hey, how's your shipping cable?
Don't even bring it up.
Hopefully this all just comes off pretty easily. I don't really know how it comes off. And like Kyle just said, it probably doesn't come off very easily. But we'll find that out today.
Right? So taking this bumper off, I see there's 2 bolts that are hidden behind the taillight. There's one at this right-hand corner on the outside. There's one on the inside corner next to the hatch. And then there's gonna probably be one in the fender well.
Now my thing right now is trying to remove this wing. Now this wing is modular because it has active arrow. What I can see is there's 2 pieces to this. What I'm assuming is that this piece separates.
You have to lift it, undo the screws, and then you have to lower back down.
You hold it.
No.
Come on.
No, I'm here for assistance on the removal, then I'll help you on that.
That's how this partnership works. Success, we got the wing off. Almost knocked this wing over, jeez. Woo, getting close.
You're not that close.
Jeez. There we go. This side should still be.
Bumper is out. Look at this. Exciting. Crash bars coming out. These crash bar bolts were fucking in there. Oh! Kyle, here comes with the heat chili.
You said that's the difference between...
So the difference between a body shop doing aftermarket bumpers, aftermarket side skirts, all that shit, where you're having to fix it later on, is a custom shop takes 30 times to do it and gets it right, versus a body shop usually cuts it, hacks it, it gets on, but it has big holes, big gaps, doesn't fit right, wood screws. That's the difference.
Very, very exciting. It's been a lot of work off camera because it's just been trial and error. It's been a lot of work. Very exciting. It's been a lot of work off camera, just trial and error, just test fitting, taking it off, cutting, test fitting. We finally have the bumper bolted in.
This is what she looks like. She's looking good. So the body gaps for the most part are decent. We have to figure out how to, so the only mounting tabs right here are in plastic, so they move a little bit. So we have to figure out how to get a rib nut in here to cure this to the body, because obviously it's much shorter because all this is gonna be cut. But the body line for the most part up here fits perfectly. It's pretty spot on. Gaps are pretty good. Same issue with this side. Obviously there's nothing to attach this to the fender itself, so it's kind of flimsy right here, and that's the only part that it's really flimsy at. I've yet to test fit the wing, so I'm gonna try and put the wing on right now.
This is sick. I'm so excited. This fits really well. It's really sturdy. So easy to install. That's pretty wild. I'm pretty sure this wing can fit on a stock body. That's pretty crazy. It looks so good. Here she is on the ground with the Karma rear bumper, rear diffuser, and rear wing. And this thing, let me tell you, looks so aggressive. I can't even explain it. It's crazy. I'm so pumped right now for the entire rest of the kit. I just want to throw it on.
But here's some things to note. As you can see, look, the bumper is already radiused for the wide body in the rear, so it doesn't quite fit in the OEM location, so you have to trim the tabs back quite a bit actually
to make this bumper fit on there.
The wing fits so snug, actually super easy to install, like literally 2 bolts and that's it. The only thing here, these aren't fully bolted in, the tail lights, or like I said, the side pieces already.
But for the most part, the fitment of the bumper is pretty good for a fiberglass kit and for how far this thing has traveled.
I can't get over this wing, Kyle.
It's big. Big.
Kyle does not sound excited.
He's not enthused about the big wing. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's actually taken quite a bit of work just to get the bumper and the rear wing on. And again, like I said, the entire process with this is that we have to get the rear bumper on and the front bumper on before we can even start trying to test fit the side skirts and the wide body flares, because all of those are specifically based off of these bumpers. So, with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, keep up with all the updates with the Karma Cayman kit, and everything else that we're doing, right, Kyle? I said, I told them not to forget to keep up with everything else that we're doing, and telling them to keep coming to 1139 West State Street.
Yeah, bring your Porsche back.
Bring.
Cut them up.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below, let me know what you think. That's it for me. I'm out of here.